Hello everyone, welcome to our Savor Wellness channel. Today, we're going to discover the superpowers of a food that can transform your life, walnuts. But before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips. Let's get started. Did you know that walnuts are a true superfood? They are packed with nutrients that can improve your health in surprising ways. Let's find out how. Walnuts are rich in essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and magnesium. Let's dive deeper into the benefits of each of these nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain and heart health. They help reduce inflammation, improve cognitive function, and decrease the risk of heart diseases. Studies show that regular consumption of walnuts can enhance memory and mental performance. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also contributes to skin health, keeping it young and radiant. Incorporating walnuts into your diet can help prevent premature aging and improve skin appearance. Magnesium is important for bone health and muscle function. It helps keep bones strong and prevents cramps and muscle spasms. People who regularly consume walnuts have a lower incidence of osteoporosis and other bone diseases. Additionally, walnuts contain fiber, which is crucial for digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation, and promoting more efficient digestion. Let's add more flavor and health to our menu with these amazing walnut recipes. Walnut and fruit salad, a refreshing and nutritious option for lunch or dinner. Walnuts add crunch and a delicious flavor to the salad. Walnut cake, perfect for an afternoon snack. This cake is easy to make and full of flavor. Plus, it's a great way to incorporate walnuts into your diet. Walnut sauce for pasta, a healthy and tasty alternative to traditional sauces. This sauce is rich in nutrients and perfect for a comforting dinner. Here are some quick tips for incorporating walnuts into your daily routine in a tasty and easy way. Add walnuts to your yogurt or oatmeal for breakfast to get a nutrient boost. Try eating a handful of walnuts as a healthy snack throughout the day. Use walnuts as an ingredient in bread and cake recipes to add a nutritious touch. To recap, walnuts can improve your energy, promote longevity, and offer various healthy recipes. Which recipe will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health and wellness tips. Ignoring the benefits of walnuts is missing the chance to improve your health and vitality. Let's transform our diets together and live healthier lives. See you next time.